I'm Justine. I'm one of the co-founders and co-CEOs of Poppy Riley.
I'm Kendall, Justine's older sister, and also the co-founder and co-CEO of Poppy Riley. We're really excited to be celebrating 5 years of the Eyelet Oxford, which is one of our best-selling shoes, and we really couldn't be doing this without Lupita. Lupita owns the factory that makes the Eyelet Oxford. We've been working with Lupita for 11 years. And Lupita both owns the factory and started the factory and is such a driving force behind most of our footwear that comes from Mexico. In 2016, Poppy Riley was on a mission to create the most comfortable flat. We wanted something that could take the place of a sneaker in your closet. And so we were really collaborating a lot with Lupita on this idea. And Justine and I were down in Mexico visiting the factory. Lupita offered to give us a ride to the airport. So she drove us to the airport, she dropped us off, and we were just saying our goodbyes, and she took out the shoe, and I remember she showed us how it bent in half. And she said, I think it was called soft deconstruction. She gave Justine and I each a pair to wear on our trip home, and we both put them on and wore them the whole way home, like running through the Houston airport.
Basically haven't taken them off since.
Yeah.
So our initial concept turned into the Soft Oxford, which launched in 2017. In 2018, after the Soft Oxford was a runaway hit for us, we came out with the Eyelet Oxford. I think the white snake was my favorite. It always looked cool. It wore really well. It was that neutral that's interesting and went with everything.
Leopard, gold sand, black, a pink color. We're not the only ones that love the Eyelet Oxford. We hear from our customers all the incredible things they've done in the Eyelet Oxford. They've been to countries all over the world. People have worn them for their wedding shoes. I see them at the playground all the time. They're like a really, really well-loved shoe. Our ask is that you share your stories of the Eyelet Oxford in the comments below so that we can create a bunch of love letters to share with Lupita.